na. Tamog. Lalaro sila doon.
Pwede ka magtampisaw dyan. Malalim ng konti yun. Tsaka malinis tubig nito.
Malinis nga, kumpara sa River Thames.
Malinis oh.
Georgina, mahulog ang iyong ano ha? Sleepers. Baba. Uy, ang ginagawa mo, Carlo! Uy, iniwan mo na to. Ay! Ha? Nahihi ka na.
Finally.
Tama, maglagay ka ng tinapay. Oo nga, may tinapay dyan sa bag mo.
Mommy, my socks are uncomfortable.
Hindi.
May pang
My socks are uncomfortable.
pamingway. Kagaya ng ginawa namin sa street.
Mom,
Yung
Mommy,
tali,
I
tapos
said my
may
socks
pamingway.
No, yung socks daw, uncomfortable.
Lagyan namin ng-
Tingnan mo yung socks. Tingnan mo yung socks.
Wala.
Take it off. Yun.
Magbato ka ng tinapay doon para lumabas yung isda doon. Akan ng tinapay, akong babato. Akan.
It feels like there's a splinter, but there's none.
Huwag ka na mag-socks. Remove the other sock. Ha? Tignan, ikaw maghawak nito at kukunin ko yung tinapay.
Kaunti lang, maliit lang.
Ang hindi naman malaki.
Bawal yata ang feeding yan. Wala na. Umalis na. Alaho, pagkakalayaw. Maano lang yan. Aray, dini. Marami. Yan o, Ray. Dini, marami.
Doon ka lang kay Georgina. Dali mo si Georgina. Dali. Doon kayo. Bago ako mag-ano. May mga isda kasi guys. Yun oh, ang isda. May papaitan. Ay, samahan mo yung Carlo. Georgina.
It's very shallow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's quite clear. I'll tell you what though.
Georgina. Bakit hinubad ang tsinelas? Ba't pinahubad mo ang tsinelas? Baka mabubog. Georgina, put your slippers on. The fish is there. On that side, over there. Yeah. Put your slippers on. Tapos, you want to wee-wee na. She wants to wee-wee daw. You wee-wee on the river. Ang toilet ay doon. Hindi, iihi daw to. Ihi muna. We will be back. Bakit naman hindi babalik? Control it na. At hindi na to tayo babalik. Anong gang go here? Iihi nga daw. Mabaho kaya tong tubig na to? Iput mo yung strap mo, kordapya. Kordapya.
Mommy, my shoes are dirty. That's why.
Hoy, huwag mong anuhin yan at baka yung maanag diyan.
Away! Oh, dun.
I'm gonna let them dry.
Yeah, leave it there. Wala kasing fish dan. Nandun ang fish.
Ayun, pwede yung maligo dito.
Picture mo si Cordapia. Picture mo si Cordapia. Georgina. Tabi-tabi po.
Go, go. Hey, hey. Oh. Hey, hey, here.
Don't run.
Regina, eh.
Don't run.
Oh, hey, take a picture of me. Here.
Sit there. There. Sit there.
I'm not going. I'm on the
Just sit there. Yan, oh, sit there. Yan. Look at to daddy. Nabundok. Nakakita ng river na malinis.
Next time, yagi. Oh, gaunti ka na, haga.
Remove your jacket. Remove your jacket para hindi mabasa ang jacket. Dali.
Remove your jacket muna. Oy, basa ang kamay. Naku.
Hanap. Ay, nako.
Ay, talaga naman.
Maingay. Ay, binasahan na yun. Ang
Eh,
impact
basa,
ng-
basa nga. Oh.
A little bit.
Naku, nag-swim ka na kasama ng aso.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
Saan?
Fish.
Okay, doon sa fish.
My slippers.
Oo, ang tinapay. Georgina. Tinapay. Ay, Georgina. Tinapay.
So I can throw to the fish.
Yeah. Crumble it. No, don't just throw. Don't just throw. There's no fish there. The fish is over there. Ah, naku. Lana, pwede dyo. Yeah. Oh.
Ano nangyari?
I need my slippers because I need them clothes on me.
Yan. Ay, nako, malinis ang tubig. Linis.
Ay, naku, basa na. Kala po eh.
Yeah, basa.
Sorry.
Wash your, ulit?
Feet.
Feet. Yeah.
Okay. Where?
Yeah.
Sana po ito niya.
And let's go.
Up and go.
And let's go.
Up and go.
Sana po ito.
Tara na. Hindi malamig ang tubig. Hindi.
Mabahaw.
Hindi rin.
Regina!
Georgina, let's go na. Next time ka na lang.
Next time, you want next. The weather is nice. We're gonna go back.
Put it back muna. Ay. Ala, madumi na ulit. Balik doon, balik. Balik ka doon. Put your slippers there, not there. Ano? Put your slippers there.
Hey,
Oh, come back here.
Ay.
Sorry?
Tara na.
How else then?
Tara na.
Let's go now.
No, I'm keeping it.
Ay, bring your slippers.
Ayaw niya na malay.
In the water when I fall.
Why?
If
Mami, di ka dito saan mo?
Put your slippers on. Oh, why are you going there again? Come here na.
Because it'll be easier. Ready?
Come with me.
Madad, ano kaya? Ito po pa po. Ako, okay,
Oh, let's go.
Go that side. Go that side.
Wag na, wag na. Diyan, diyan, dine, dine.
Hey.
Diyan.
Let's
Okay.
go na, let's go na.
Look, now my shoes are cold.
It's okay. Let's go na. It's 4 o'clock na.
Ay, baka na.